Okay, this has been installed. So it has the gauze. Yeah, turn on the ventilation now. It's working. Just turn on here, and I'll just check the bottom.
No leakage.
Yes, no leakage.
It's tested. Everything is good. And the other side is here. As you can see, no leakage. Everything is good. As you can see, the ventilation system is connected, tied in. Everything is good. And we are done.
And now we're gonna turn off this, and you can test it like there's no leakage. Yeah, see, it's turned off, so there is no leakage. Show me the side. Yeah, everything is properly.
If there is any gas or anything, this is actually beeping.
But when there is gas, yeah, it starts beeping. Yeah, so we're all done.